A wire is given and the wire is cut into three equal parts. Suppose this is a wire, it cuts into three equal parts. That means if its length is L, then we will cut into three parts whose length will be L by 3. Suppose we cut over here. This is L by 3, this is L by 3, L by 3, but the area of cross section remains same for these three parts, and we know that R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is the resistivity, L is the length of the conductor, and A is the area of cross section. Now here area remains constant, area of cross section remains constant, length becomes 1/3. So this R1, R2 and R3 will all become R by 3, because R1 will be equal to rho, area of cross section remains same, and L becomes L by 3, that is equal to rho L A into 1 by 3, or that is equal to R by 3. Similarly R2 will be equal to R by 3 and R3 will be equal to R by 3. Now we connect them in parallel. When we connect them in parallel, the total resistance 1 by RT will be equal to, the total resistance is RT, and 1 by RT will be equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, or that is equal to 1 by R by 3 plus 1 by R by 3 plus 1 by R by 3, or that will be equal to (9 by R). This implies the total resistance or the effective resistance will be equal to R by 9 when we connect all these three resistances in parallel. Now second bit is define electric power, and how do we say that the power consumed in an electric circuit is 1 watt. What is power? Power is defined as rate of dissipation or consumption of electric energy in an electric circuit. And we define it as P is equal to V into I, and from Ohm's law we can write V is equal to IR, or that this is equal to I square R, or in place of I we can write V by R, which is equal to V square by R. This is the power dissipation. And how would you say that power consumed in an electric circuit is 1 watt? What is 1 watt? 1 watt is the electric power, is the power consumed by a device when it is operated at 1 volt potential difference and 1 ampere current is passing through it. because you see P is equal to V into I. If V is equal to 1 volt and I is equal to 1 ampere, then P will be equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere, that is equal to 1 watt.